Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode, I'm going to show you the unboxing of my second Starlink internet device or equipment. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Again, this is my second one. I would have already purchased one working excellent for me. So I decided that I want a second one. So I'm going to actually unbox it. So well protected. This is the stand what it will sit on. This is the device itself. Wow. As you can see, that's the back of it. That is the front. And of course it comes with the cable. There. And this is what you call the modem, or some person said a router. So this is it. Put that there. And of course the cable that power up the device. And the last thing, and this is the manual. So yes guys, that's it. Second Starlink internet device. I'll be definitely joining my two Starlink. I'll be using what is called a load balancer. Also will be doing a video showing you how that actually works. So guess what guys, you definitely need to stay tuned so that you can see that video where I actually linking the two Starlink together, joining the internet in terms of speed. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.